How to see your Roblox account password 2025. See Roblox current password if forgotten. First of all, open the Roblox app or visit roblox.com your browser. Once you are in the home screen, tap on the more option, scroll down, tap on settings, go to account info and you will see a login method or password. Here not showing a password, go back your home screen and then tap on password app. Enter iPhone passcode to view a password. Tap on the search bar, search for Roblox. Tap on it. You can see a password section and tap on the password section, show this password. Second method, open the Chrome app. Tap on the three dot menu at the bottom right corner. Select setting. Once you are in the setting menu, tap on password manager. Enter iPhone passcode for Chrome. Tap on the search bar, search for Roblox. Once you are in the Roblox, you will see password section. Tap on eye icon and then show the password, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.